last period we saw factorize of trinomial. In and on test also I give you solution of the examples, but no one send me the solution of the test example. So again rewrite that examples and send me. Then your next part is factors of AQ plus BQ. Factors of AQ plus BQ. AQ plus BQ. So factors of AQ plus BQ. AQ plus BQ is equal to, in first bracket A plus B, in second bracket A square minus AB plus B square. And proof of this is given. A plus B bracket cube is equal to, we know that A plus B bracket cube is equal to A cube plus B cube plus 3AB in bracket A plus B. And A cube plus B cube is equal to, again change the side, A cube plus B cube is plus 3AB in bracket A plus B is equal to A plus B bracket cube, interchanging the sides. Then only A cube plus B cube is equal to A plus B bracket cube minus 3AB in bracket A plus B. In that take A plus B common. Then you will get first bracket A plus B, right? A plus B bracket cube as A plus B in first bracket and second bracket A plus B bracket square. And take it in square bracket minus 3AB in bracket A plus B. In these two there is A plus B is common. A plus B is common. So taking A plus B bracket common in square bracket A plus B bracket cube minus 3AB. Again it is equal to A plus B in bracket. Solve that A plus B bracket square expansion A square plus 2AB plus B square minus 3AB. Then after that you will get A plus B and second bracket A square minus 3AB plus 2AB means minus AB and plus B square. So A cube plus B cube is equal to, in first bracket A plus B, second bracket A square minus AB plus B square. Inverse first term cube, inverse first term cube, first term cube, first term cube plus second term cube, second term cube is equal to, in first bracket first term plus first term plus second term, the second bracket first term square, first term square minus first term into second term, first term into second term plus second term square, second term square, square bracket complete. For example first, x cube plus 27 y cube, x cube plus 27 y cube is equal to x bracket cube, and 27 y cube is a cube of 3 y bracket cube. Cube of 3 is 27, cube of y is y cube, cube of x is x cube. So first term is cube root of sum of the cube root, means A plus B means sum of the cube root, is in first bracket x plus 3y. In second bracket first term square minus first term into second term, this first term into second term, and plus second term square, 3y bracket square, square bracket complete. Again take both bracket round bracket, take x plus 3y, now second bracket x square, product of minus x into 3y minus 3xy, and square of 3y is 9y square. Is the factors of x cube plus 27y cube. Second example is 8p cube plus 125 q cube. 8p cube plus 125 q cube. 8p cube is a cube of 2p bracket cube, plus 125 cube is 125 q cube is 5q bracket cube. So first bracket is sum of the cube root 2p plus 5q. In second bracket first term square, first term is 2p minus first term into second term plus second term square. Sorry, this is q. Second term square. Square bracket complete. Now take both bracket and round bracket. 2p plus 5q. In second bracket, square of 2p is 4p square. Product of 2p minus 2p into 5q minus 10p cube. And square of 5q is 25q square. Round bracket complete. Third example, m cube plus 1 upon 64, again m cube. Okay. M cube plus 1 upon 64 m cube is equal to m bracket cube plus square cube of 1 is 1, so cube root of 1 is 1, and 64 is cube of 4, and cube of m is m cube is a cube of m bracket cube. So m cube is m cube plus 1 cube is 1, 4 cube is 64, and m cube is m cube. The first bracket m plus 1 upon 4m cube, the sum of cube root. The second bracket, taking square bracket, m square minus m into 1 upon 4m, and plus second bracket square 1 upon 4m bracket square. Square bracket complete. M plus 1 upon 4m, m square, this m cancel, only minus 1 upon 4, and square of 1 upon 4m is 1 square 1, and 4 square 60, and m square. Round bracket complete. Yes, m square minus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon. Fourth example. But 250p cube plus 432 q cube. In that take 2 common, in round bracket 125 p cube plus 2 to the 4, 2 1 the 2, a balance 1, 2 6 the 12, and q cube. Again it is equal to 2 in square bracket, 125 p cube is a cube of 5p bracket cube, and 216 is a cube of 6 cube bracket cube. Factors of these are sum of cube root 5p plus 6 cube is first bracket. The second bracket 5p bracket square, then minus first term into second term 5p into 6 cube, and plus 6 cube bracket square. In first bracket 2 as it is, 5p plus 6 cube, then the square of 5p is 25p square, product of this minus 30p cube, and square of 6 cube is 36q square. So solve example I gave you, all 4 example gave you. You solve, practice it 6.2 and send me.